With Intuit Accountant Suite, you can give people in your firm access to your clients and your firm's books and customize what they can see and do. Let's go over how to add someone in your firm to QuickBooks and then choose what level of access they have to each client. Under Firm Hub, select Manage Users and Users. To give someone in your firm access to QuickBooks, select Add User. Note that you need to be an administrator in order to set up new users. Enter their first and last name, and then their email address. If your firm's books are in QuickBooks, you choose their level of access to them here. This is separate from their access to your client's books. Let's set this user to have no access to your firm's books. Next, you assign their access to the appropriate clients. You can search for the client or browse the list. When you see a client you want them to access, select Assign Access, and then select their role for the client access. The role determines what they can see and do in the client's QuickBooks. Note that custom client roles you've created will appear in this list along with predefined roles. You can assign team members to any role to access any client's books, regardless of your client's subscription or additional services like bill pay and payroll. This user is a bill approver for this client. From here, you'll see their level of access by area in QuickBooks. Select a section to see it in greater detail. You may see permissions related to features your client does not have because of their subscription level or additional services. For instance, if your client is a Simple Start subscriber, you may see permissions regarding bill approvals, even though that feature is not included with Simple Start subscriptions. Giving permissions to these features does not enable the feature for your client or the user you're setting up. When you're done, select Save. Repeat this process if you want this employee to have different roles for different clients. You can also assign a user access to multiple clients with the same role at once with batch assignments. Select the checkbox for each client you want them to access, then select Assign Access, and select the role they'll have for those clients. If you change your mind about their access to a client, select Edit to change it, or select Remove Role to take away their access completely. When you're done, select Send Invite. If prompted, enter the one-time passcode, and then QuickBooks sends an email invitation to the user asking to confirm their info. Then they'll be able to log in and work in your or your client's QuickBooks based on the roles you've assigned them. If they lose the confirmation email, you can resend it. You can also edit or delete their access. Now you're ready to set up users in your firm in Intuit Accountant Suite.